G'day guys, today we're going to be installing the 1736 power log meter by Fluke on a set of units in Byron. Now the clients here have been having some power issues, so we're going to install this and get some readings for them. Now I'm going to walk you through some of the key features. There's heaps on here, but some of my favorite ones, so we'll see how we go with it. Now we're going to be working on a live board, so we're going to suit up, get all our safety gear on, face shield, gloves, arc rated suit and LV mat, and then I'll walk you through how to connect one of these live, and it's super easy and it's actually really safe. We're going to install our CT clamps onto here. Now another great additional extra, which I think if you purchase yourself a 1736, you need to invest in these. Now these are they're the magnetic voltage probes. So these go on the end of your leads and these will just tap straight in your terminals. And from that, it means we don't have to do any connection. So especially like today, we can't turn the power off today. So we're gonna be working live and all we're gonna have to do is glove up and just drop these onto the terminals. Pretty safe way of being able to do this connection live, and we don't have to actually take anything apart. Show you how that'll work. Now, once these probes are hooked up to voltage, that will power the unit via these jumper leads, which means we don't have to install a power outlet or anything. If you do want to do that, there is an option to add that in there as well. So these CTs are what is going to read our current, and we install one on each phase in the neutral, and that's going to give us our current readings, whereas the probe is going to give us the voltage readings. Now we're going to set this up for 7 days, and we can set the readings of how long we want to take incremental readings on it, and we'll work that out in a minute of how often we're going to take our results. So at the moment we don't have our voltage hooked up, but we've got our CTs on, so we can see red phase we're drawing about 10 amps, white phase we're drawing 13, and then blue phase we're drawing about 8, and there's 0.2 amps on the neutral. Another amazing feature on the 1736 is the autocorrect mode. So I can see on here 2 of the CTs have been put in reverse. Now anyone that's put CTs on before has probably put them on wrong. Instead of having to get back into a board and turn your CTs around, there's actually a function on here called autocorrect, and if you click that, it will automatically flip the polarity of your CTs and then make sure that the current is reading in the right direction. And as I've just clicked that now, all 3 of my CTs are reading correctly. We've got all our voltage reading correctly. We'll start the logging. We're going to place this meter inside here now for 7 days. We're going to get some readings and we'll come back and find our results. We'll do another video on extracting the data and how we present that to a client.